let us look at problem number 15. Okay. 15 is an interesting problem. This has to do with, there is a tube, bicycle tube that the person takes, puts one onto the leg and the other he or she pulls with the hand. What is asked is to draw the free body of the entire person along with the tube. So, let me just draw a crude diagram of this. So, let us say this is the person, what is basically happening here is this person is holding this tube and pulling it. We need to draw the free body of this particular system which contains the person as well as the bicycle loop. Okay. As usual, let us look at the interaction of this system. Remember, in this, what is the free body? The free body consists of the person as well as the bicycle loop. Okay. Bicycle loop is a part of the free body. The interactions occur basically with respect to the ground and with respect to gravitation, and therefore simply I have mg, that mg let us say is of the person, there is also an mg. So, let me call this as m1g and m2g. m2g is the weight of the bicycle loop. Apart from that, there is only this ground that is interacting with the free body in question, that will offer one force over here, one force over here. There could also be frictional resistance in the other two directions. Let us call this as A and B. So, that this will be By, this will be Bx, this is Ay, this is Ax. One of the problems people face is, sir, you have not considered the force offered by this loop. Please remember, the force offered by this loop on this hand and on this leg are equal and opposite. So, let me give an example of this. Let us take a pen like this, and let us say I am now pushing it and I want to draw the free body of myself, right, along with this pen. When I want to draw the free body of myself along with this pen, I should look at the interaction between me pen with other systems, right. The other systems do not constitute this pen. So, the interaction is only the ground and the gravitational pull on me and on this particular pen. The forces that I am using to press this pen, the force that I am giving here is the same as the force on this. So, if I draw the free body of this alone, there will be a force on this and force on this. For example, in this particular case, if I had removed this particular loop and examined it, this hand and the leg will have, so for example, this hand is pushing this bicycle, which means that this bicycle loop is trying to push the hand down, right. So, there will be a pulling force like this. Similarly, in this it will have a pulling force. On this there will be equal and opposite forces like this. Let us say F, F, F and F. But please remember, we are drawing the free body of man with this bicycle tube together, and therefore, the separation as shown here does not come into effect. Okay. And therefore, the free body diagram will not consist of the force due to pulling of the bicycle tube. Okay.